Jeremiah chapter 29, verse 11. I know the plans I have for you, plans to prosper you and not harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Magprogreso ka at sa hindi ka masasaktan, pag-asa at meron kang kinabukasan. That's God's plan for each one of us. Ito rin po ang plano ni Lord para sa Pilipinas. God wants this country to prosper and not to be harmed, that will always have hope and a future. Ito po sana ang ating common prayer. Bayan natin Pilipinas. Ang ganda po ng plano ng Panginoon para sa atin at para sa ating bayan. Do not change God's plan for the Philippines.